Cetaphil Cream Gentle Clear Mattifying Acne Moisturizer is a skin care product that promises to provide a solution for those struggling with acne-prone and oily skin. As someone who struggled with sporadic breakouts and excessive oiliness, I decided to give this moisturizer a try. Here is my comprehensive review after using it for several weeks. First impressions matter, and the packaging of Cetaphil Cream Gentle Clear Mattifying Acne Moisturizer is elegant and straightforward. The design of the clamping tube makes it easy to distribute the product without any mess, and the size of 89 ml is perfect for everyday use. When applying the moisturizer, I noticed its light texture. It glided effortlessly on my skin without leaving a heavy or greasy feeling. This is a big plus for me, especially during the warmer months, when heavy creams can feel suffocating. One of the outstanding features of this moisturizer is its mattifying effect. Oily skin can often lead to unwanted shine, but this product has managed to keep it under control throughout the day. I enjoyed not having to constantly stain my face, and my makeup was on for much longer. As for your acne-fighting claims, I noticed a gradual improvement in the overall texture of my skin. Although I did not completely eradicate my escapes, it certainly helped prevent new ones from arising. The formula contains some well-known acne-fighting ingredients, which probably contributed to these positive results. I also liked that Cetaphil Cream Gentle Clear Mattifying Acne Moisturizer is non-comedogenic. This aspect was reassuring, knowing that I was not risking more escapes using it. It seemed to let my skin breathe and not clog my pores. However, there were some minor disadvantages. Firstly, the fragrance of the product was a little stronger than I prefer in my skin care products. Although it hasn't been overwhelming, I usually lean towards unscented options for my sensitive skin. In addition, although the mattifying effect has been great, it may not be the best choice for those with drier skin types as it can potentially lead to a feeling of tightness. In terms of packaging, I found that the 89 ml size lasted me quite a while, even with daily use. This made the product reasonably economical, considering its effectiveness. In conclusion, the Cetaphil Cream Gentle Clear Mattifying Acne Moisturizer delivered on its promises for my acne-prone, oily skin. Its lightweight texture, mattifying effect, and gradual improvement in skin texture make it a valuable addition to my skincare routine. While it might not be a one-size-fits-all solution, I believe it's a solid choice for those specifically seeking an acne-fighting, mattifying moisturizer. Just be cautious if you have drier or more sensitive skin. Remember, skincare is a personal journey, and what works wonders for one person might not for another. Always patch test and listen to your skin's needs. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more skin care insights and product reviews. Your support keeps the content coming, and I'm excited to continue sharing my experiences and recommendations with you all. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.